A cool feature that I've seen on a lot of online stores and e-commerce stores, if you look here, is this variant selected. So when you click on a different variant, you see how the image changes. I've seen this on a lot of stores, and one reason why I think it's useful to you as a merchant is because when customers are scrolling through this page, so in this case, they're looking at the clearance collection and they're just taking a look through. They want to see, get an idea of some of the products that are here, maybe which product could be of use to them, maybe which product they can see themselves purchasing. Instead of having them click the product like this, and then they have to go and then manually click on the different variants. Now you're making it easier for the customer because now they can just click on it directly here, right? So maybe they click on it and they think, it's not really for me. They can just continue instead of them having to take that extra step and click on the product itself and actually make these changes. So this was a cool feature that I thought could be useful to yourself as a merchant. And if you're looking for an app like this, there are a few apps that I've worked with merchants who have had this on their store. So if you'd like personal recommendations on apps like that, please feel free to reach out. I can even put a link down below to some apps on Shopify that actually offer this functionality. So I'll put a link down below of some of the useful apps out there that can do this. But again, this is very useful for customers just to be able to take a look through the various options because customers do want to be able to see some of the various options, the different variants, the different colors. Maybe somebody doesn't like this color here, but maybe it matches this color, matches more with their surroundings, their room, their kitchen, their whatever the case may be. And so giving them the option to actually browse through the different colors using a simple variant selected like this. Like I said, a lot of cool apps with Shopify that actually has the ability to do this in their store. And so again, I just wanted to briefly share this really quickly. Always looking for ways. The goal here is to really always looking for ways that you can improve conversion. So what I like to do and what I always recommend merchants to do is anytime you're on a website, whether it's a competitor of yours or just any type of online store, and you see a feature that somebody else is doing that you think could be useful to you, feel free to look into how to implement that on your store because if you see the value in a feature like this, more than likely customers also see the value in a feature like this. And so there's a reason they added this feature here, and it's because they want customers to be able to look and browse through the different various variants here on the product page, on the product's results with here without actually having to click on that specific product page. So once again, I hope this video was helpful. If this is something that you'd like to implement, or if you have any additional questions, please feel free to either send me an email or book a call, and I'll be more than happy to help out. All the information is down below. Please feel free to take a look at my website as well. All the information is down below. Take a look at my website as well, see what other people have said, see some of the projects and things that we built for others. And then also we have, of course, our digital products for online business owners. But once again, I hope this video was helpful just to give you a good idea of some useful tips that you can do to help improve conversions and make customers more engaged on the store. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out.